Michael, Diamond Precision Engineering, could you tell us what you do here?
We do precision machined components for a variety of different industries, aerospace, oil and gas, tooling for food and medical packaging, mainly thermoform tooling, press tools for sheet metal work, production line equipment and general precision engineered components.
So with some of the aerospace industry, do you actually supply straight to, let's say, the end product like Airbus or Bombardier?
We do some supply direct to Bombardier. We also would get some subcontracted stuff from some of their other suppliers.
And in reference to the machine tools that you've got on your shop floor, what type of machine tools do you invest in?
Milling machines, CNC milling, CNC lathes, surface grinders. At the moment, we would have more in the way of milling capacity than anything. We have replaced some of the milling machines recently, so we're undergoing an expansion to some degree in that capacity. We do both 3-axis, 4-axis and 5-axis. On the turning side of things, we also turning centres with driven tooling, so we can handle products that require milling and turning operations on the same machine. And again, we're looking to expand that area of the business.
The type of companies that you're working for, obviously metrology is obviously a big part of that. We're here for Hexagon to talk about why you invest in their products, certainly the CMM machine. But what does the Hexagon products and brand, how does that help your company?
We have an integral requirement for inspection as part of what we do. The CMMs are an essential part of both in-process inspection and final inspection. The requirement varies from customer to customer. For some customers, we have a requirement to supply detailed final product reports with all products going out. For other customers, it's a case of us being able to verify internally that the parts meet the design specification. For other customers, the equipment is being used for reverse engineering.
I suppose if you didn't have this type of CMM or the capability of the software, you couldn't supply your products to your customers.
No, certainly for some of the customers in particular, we could not function without CMMs. Now we have 2 CMMs. This one, the Global Image, has been the mainstay of the final inspection process. We also have a shop floor machine, the Sheffield machine, which is used primarily for in-work inspection at intermediate stages of production. But no, I mean it's an integral part of what we do, and we couldn't function without it.
And what type of service and backup do you get from the Hexagon team?
We've been very happy with the service we get. They're on call to handle any questions we throw at them, which crops up quite a bit. And they're also quick to respond to any breakdowns that we've had. We've had a couple of service replacement requirements for parts. So we've certainly been happy with that side of things.
So if you're investing again in metrology, I presume Hexagon is probably one of your first stops?
Certainly would be, yeah. Particularly on the CMMs, we like to have a uniformity of the software that we're using. We run with PC Demas here. We have found that to be very flexible from the point of view of the programmability, even incorporating programmed routines using variables within the programs, which it's more tailorable to requirements than some other software. So probably tend to want to keep that across any new equipment that we get.
Michael, thank you very much.
You're welcome, anytime.